This is a tool review from a company called MyMROmarts, and what I ordered from them is a set of wiper blade and arm for my Bobcat T300, and I received the package. Of course, it's right here, and they put a hat in there with their logo, and there's a sign in here. I'll have to open up this and see what's in there and open this up. Let me hang the camera on the tripod. I don't have a table handy, so I'm doing this on top of my motorcycle in the garage. As far as just an unboxing here, everything is well packaged for what's in here. Let's see what these are. Oh, there's several different little stickers here. What's this one? Never mess with a heavy equipment operator. We know the best place to hide a body. Well, that's true. Danger, no entry. Several of these. World okayest heavy equipment operator. I guess these are just little stickers you could stick on your car or on your machine or whatever you want to with them. Do not tell me how to do my job. But that's not what I am doing the video about. There's just a few of these little kind of humorous type of stickers you can put on things if you want to. And if you're seeing this video, it's because this thing fits my machine. Because I just won't put it up if it doesn't fit my machine. I already got one here that I bought somewhere else that does not fit. Well, I could have paid a small fortune and got the wiper from the Bobcat dealer. But the machine is in use right now, so I can't put this on. But I told them in my emailing back and forth that I have one that I can't use. It won't fit. And if this one fits, then I want to do a video on it. Well, I don't know if it does or not at this point, right at the moment, but we'll find out as soon as I get a chance to put this on. We'll finish the video then.